Stop throwing your hard-earned money at the dealership for repairs that actually take 30 seconds and zero tools. I've seen drivers hand over a $500 check for a problem I could have fixed with a $3 item from a bathroom cabinet. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 genius car hacks that the industry desperately wants to keep quiet because every time you learn one, they lose a massive payday. Let's jump right in with hack number 15. Hack 15, the steering wheel grip restorer. Is your steering wheel starting to feel tacky, slick, or just plain gross? Most people think the material is decomposing and head to the dealer where they'll happily quote you $300 to $500 for a total replacement or a custom leather wrap. Here's the reality, that steering wheel isn't dead, it's just dehydrated. Instead of a new wheel, grab a jar of white petroleum jelly, good old Vaseline. Rub a thin layer into the leather or vinyl, let it sit for a few minutes and buff it off with a clean microfiber. It doesn't just make it shiny, it actually remoisturizes the material, restoring that supple, factory-fresh grip. A $3 jar of Vaseline can treat your wheel for the next 10 years. The industry won't tell you this because they profit from wear and tear replacements, but most steering wheel damage is just UV-induced thirst. Feed the leather and it'll stay new forever. Hack 14, the natural air freshener hack. Those new car scent trees hanging from your mirror are a massive scam. You're paying $5 to $15 for a piece of cardboard soaked in synthetic chemicals that actually give many drivers headaches. Over a year, that's nearly $200 literally vanishing into thin air. Instead, go to the craft aisle and get a pack of wooden clothespins and a bottle of high-quality essential oil like peppermint or cedarwood. Put a few drops on the wood and clip it to your vent. The wood pores hold the scent for weeks, and when it fades, you just add another drop. It's cleaner, it's healthier, and one $8 bottle of oil lasts longer than 20 of those cardboard trees. Big box stores hate this because they rely on that impulse buy at the checkout counter, but your lungs and your wallet will thank you. Hack 13, the rust removal miracle. Seeing orange bubbles on your wheel arches or hood is enough to make any car owner panic. Body shops love that panic because it usually leads to a $500 sanding and refinishing quote. But if the rust hasn't eaten a hole through the metal yet, you have a secret weapon in your fridge, Coca-Cola. It sounds like an urban legend, but it's pure chemistry. Coke contains phosphoric acid, the exact same active ingredient in professional-grade rust converters. Pour it on the spot, let it sit for 10 minutes, and scrub it with a bit of crumpled aluminum foil. The chemical reaction dissolves the iron oxide without eating your paint. For the cost of a soda, you've just stopped a cancerous repair in its tracks. Why don't shops tell you this? Because phosphoric acid is cheap, but their labor rates aren't. Hack 12, the wiper blade revival. How many times have you been told you need new wipers because they're streaking? At $40 a pair, that's a steep price for a bit of rubber. Most of the time, the rubber isn't bad, it's just filthy. Road oils, wax from the car wash, and exhaust soot create a microscopic film that makes the blades skip and squeak. Instead of replacing them, take a cloth soaked in rubbing alcohol and run it down the edge of the blade. You'll see a thick black streak of oxidation and grime come off. Clean the windshield with the same alcohol to strip the oils, and suddenly those worn-out wipers will wipe crystal clear again. You can easily double or triple the life of your blades this way, keeping that $40 in your pocket. Hack 11, the rubber seal protector. If your car whistles at highway speeds or leaks a little water after a car wash, don't let a mechanic talk you into a $600 weather stripping replacement. Rubber seals dry out and shrink over time, losing their squish. To fix this, use WD-40. I know everyone thinks it's just for squeaky hinges, but on rubber it acts as a rejuvenator. Wipe it onto your door and trunk seals. It penetrates the rubber, making it expand back to its original shape and keeping it soft so it doesn't crack in the winter. It's a 5-minute job that saves you a massive headache and an even bigger bill at the parts counter. Hack 10, the infotainment reset solution. Modern cars are basically rolling computers, and like any computer, they glitch. When your screen freezes or the Bluetooth stops pairing, dealerships love to charge a $200 diagnostic fee just to tell you the software needs an update. Before you give them a dime, perform a hard reset. Check your manual, but usually holding the power button and the tune knob for 10 seconds forces the system to reboot. If that doesn't work, pull the infotainment fuse for 30 seconds. It's the automotive version of turning it off and turning it back on, and it fixes 90% of screen issues for free. The dealer knows this, but they'd rather charge you for the programming time. Hack 9, the belt squeal eliminator. That embarrassing high-pitched shriek when you start your car in the morning, that's usually a serpentine belt that's glazed or slightly slipping. A mechanic will almost always tell you it's time for a $150 belt replacement. To test if they're telling the truth, sprinkle a little baby powder on the ribbed side of the belt while the engine is idling. The powder adds just enough dry lubrication to stop the vibration causing the squeal. If the noise stays gone, your belt was just dirty or glazed and you're good to go. If it comes back, then you know the belt is actually stretched. This $2 test prevents you from being sold a part you didn't actually need. Hack 8: the windshield spray adjuster. Are your washer nozzles shooting over the roof or hitting the bottom of the glass? Don't let a shop charge you for nozzle alignment. Most people don't realize those little plastic jets are on a swivel. Take a simple sewing needle, stick it into the nozzle hole, and gently aim it where you want the water to go. It takes 10 seconds and costs $0. Shops count on you thinking these are precision calibrated parts, but a safety pin is all the calibration you need. Hack 7: the headlight restoration method. Cloudy yellow headlights aren't just ugly, they're dangerous. Instead of a $150 professional restoration kit or $400 for new housings, go to your bathroom and grab the white toothpaste, not the gel kind, the gritty stuff. The mild abrasives in toothpaste are perfect for polishing away the thin layer of oxidized plastic. Scrub it on with a damp cloth, rinse it off, and follow it up with a bit of car wax to seal the pores. You'll get 90% of the clarity of a professional job for the cost of a travel-sized tube of Crest. Hack 6: the dashboard sunshield. Ever wonder why old cars have those hideous cracks across the dashboard? That's UV damage, and the dealership would love to charge you $1,000 to pull the whole interior apart to replace it. The most effective tool to prevent this: a common bath towel. If you're parking in the sun, just toss a towel over the dash. It reflects the heat and blocks the rays better than almost any protectant spray. It's a zero-cost insurance policy for your car's interior value. Hack 5: the scratch and rust eraser. Got a small scratch or a tiny dot of surface rust? Before you head to the body shop for a $300 paint correction, try that white toothpaste again. It works as an ultrafine polishing compound that can buff out clear-coat scratches and lift surface-level rust staining. It's gentle enough not to ruin your paint, but effective enough to save you a trip to the professional detailer. Hack 4: the key fob emergency backup. This is a big one. If your key fob dies, most people panic and call a tow truck or a mobile locksmith. That's a $200 mistake. Every single push-to-start car has a secret. There's a physical key hidden inside your fob to unlock the door, and there's a dead spot near the steering column or inside the start button itself where an RFID chip will work even without a battery. Check your manual. Holding the dead fob against the button usually starts the car instantly. Once you're home, you can swap the battery yourself for $5 instead of the $80 the dealer charges. Hack 3: the fuel economy booster. Mechanics love selling fuel system flushes for $150 to improve your gas mileage. But the biggest gas hog isn't a dirty fuel line, it's weight and drag. Check your trunk. Every 100 pounds of junk you're hauling around drops your MPG by 2%. More importantly, if you have a roof rack or a bike carrier you aren't using, take it off. Those racks create massive aerodynamic drag that can kill your highway fuel economy by up to 20%. Cleaning out your car and removing your rack is a service that pays you back every time you hit the pump. Hack 2: the dashboard restoration secret. If your dash is already faded and dull, don't buy those greasy silicone sprays that actually attract more dust. Use a tiny amount of petroleum jelly. Massaging it into the vinyl restores the deep, dark color and provides a moisture barrier that lasts months. It gives you that high-end, detailed look without the chemical smell or the $200 detailing bill. Hack 1: the diagnostic revolution. This is the one they really don't want you to know. When that check engine light pops up, the dealer usually charges $100 just to tell you why it's on. For $20, you can buy a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner on Amazon and download a free app like Car Scanner. You plug it in and your phone tells you exactly what the car is complaining about. Half the time, it's just a loose gas cap. You can clear the code yourself and save the $100 diagnostic fee and the anxiety of not knowing if your engine is about to blow up. Knowledge is power, and for $20, you take that power away from the dealership. How many of these were you actually using? Drop a comment below and tell me which one of these just saved you a trip to the mechanic. If you want to keep your car on the road and your money in your pocket, hit that subscribe button. I'm exposing more of these industry secrets every week. Your bank account will thank you. Now, if you think these were good, you need to see what I've uncovered about engine oil scams in this next video. Click it right now, I'll see you over there.